If you want to change font style on your iPhone 16e, so first of all, open up your settings. After that, we have to scroll down to our General tab and we have to find our Fonts section. Now press System Fonts, and here you'll see all the fonts which are pre-installed in our system. If you need any of them, tap here to install them, so you can go through the typefaces which this font has, right? So in order to use it, and any font in general, so once again, open up your mail or basically anything where you can type. Now start typing your message. Now tap here and find this AA icon. Now choose default font, choose any other font which you want to use, for example this one. All right, great. So let me show you how it works. And as you see, it just reformed. And that's basically how it works. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. And please consider subscribing to our channel.